Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and this is today's tip of the day. Now, since it's the summer, a lot of people they'd like to go swimming either in the beach or in the swimming pool. For me, I would prefer the swimming pool just because so you can do some exercises there. I have quite a number of patients that actually goes to a local pool here or they do water aerobics. Now, I want to give you some ideas of exercises to do in the pool because I get that question a lot from the patients who goes to swimming. One the one exercise that I want to give you there is when you're in the pool, it can be as simple or as easy as you try to run in the water. So if you have, like the water is gonna give you an equal like resistance all throughout the body where the water is. Now, what you can do is just try to run as fast as you can. If the water is like waist deep, especially if it's chest deep, it will go against you. So you're gonna find it hard to run. So it will be very good on your joints, very low impact, but at the same time, it will give you a good workout. So that's one, try to run in a swimming pool. And there's no risk of falling because if you fall, it's gonna be water. If you don't know how to swim, then maybe put on some floaties or something. Now the other one will be, you can start kicking in the swimming pool. If you don't know how to swim, you can use a kickboard. So you can just put your arms around it and then start kicking you can actually do laps, right? So that will be good for your legs and even good for your back. Especially if you have shoulder or arm upper extremity issues, that's something that's good for you because you don't have to use the arms. Now, if you want a whole body workout, then you can use your arms and your legs and just do normal swimming. Now, the third one that I want you to do also is you can use weights. They have specially designed weights that you can use in the water. And those, it's not gonna float and it's gonna give you an equal resistance all throughout the range when you're using it. So some of the local pools will have them like a YMCA or local gyms that have swimming pools. So try to see if you can do any of those exercises and that will keep you in shape during the summer. So if you like this, please feel free to share with your friends, family, and everyone you know, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.